Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, today I am going to start my next lecture. Let us revise what we did last. We did introduction, HTML element, description of tags, structure of HTML, creating and saving HTML document and viewing HTML document. Let me give you a quick recap that HTML, I told you what is HTML. HTML is a programming language, it is a computer language that help us to make web pages, correct? HTML is a programming language that help us to make web pages. So today I am going to make a web page. Okay, so let's start. How? Okay, there were some problems in tags. Again I am telling you what is tag. See, what is tag? Whatever we write in angular bracket, like you see this HTML. Now HTML is written in angular bracket, it is a tag. Whatever is written inside the angular bracket is a tag. A tag has some meaning. Okay, every tag has some meaning and you cannot make your own tags. It is already defined and you have to use it. Clear? Tag means tag, whatever is written in angular bracket, you cannot change it. It is already defined and each tag has some meaning. Clear? So today I am going to start creating a web page. Right. Let us know the step first. First step is go to Notepad and type the HTML code. As I told you that structure of HTML is very important. You have to learn it. So this structure of HTML I am going to use it for making my first web page. Okay. Now please see what I am doing on my screen, right? So this is my structure of HTML. What I did, I just copy. Okay, I copied it and I will open a notepad file. Here is my notepad and I have pasted. Okay, now this is the same structure of HTML what I did there. I just pasted it. Now what you have to do, you have to save it. And how you have to save it? You have to save it with the name.html, right? So I'll go to file, save as. Suppose I'm giving a name ABC. Okay, you can give any name, .html, right? Now I'm going to give a location where I will post on desktop and save. This already is okay. So this is my, what I did is I went to Notepad, I typed my code there, same what was the structure of HTML, I saved it with a name.html and now I am going to run it. When I will run it, means I am going to show this ABC will become a page, web page. Okay, see now where I saved it on my desktop, right? So I am going on my desktop. I'll ABC, see this ABC becomes the web page automatically. Can you see? This is the symbol of what? Browser, right? So when I will open it, it will open as it is a web page. Now you can see it is opening as a web page. And what is written here? Welcome to my first web page. Clear? Now I am going to explain it why welcome to my first web page appears here. Let us go back to our notepad file. Now you can see in the body, inside the body means after the body, after the start of the body tag, what I wrote here, welcome to my first web page, right? It means whatever I will write after the start of the body tag will come as it is in my web page. Okay, let us change, let us see now. Suppose I am writing hello, hope you all are fine. Now I have changed. Okay, again I will save it. Don't save as now only save. Saved, go to your previous file, browser file, web page and refresh. Shortcut to refresh is F5. Okay, or you can press this reload button also. So see, have you seen change? Hello, hope you all are fine is written here. Clear? So this way we can, whatever it is written in the body tag will appear as it is in the web page. I hope it is all clear. Okay. So I am going to do today one more tag, that is called font tag. Okay, which tag we are going to do? Font tag. Now this is our font tag. The font tag will change appearance of the text. Appearance of the text means how the text appears. Okay, if you want to give any color, if you want to change the size, right? Like hello, I am fine here was coming too short and it was not looking good in black color. So I want to give a good color to it. So how I can give? I can give using font tag. Now font tag has attributes. Attributes means properties. Okay, what things you can add in the font tags? There are three things that can be added: face, size and color. Okay, face, size and color. Face means the style of writing, like Times New Roman, calligraphy, Lucida. These all are the styles. Size means, you know, size of the text, and color means to give a color, right? Now you see, what I will do is, I will copy the code. Okay, this code I will copy and I will paste in my notepad. I will copy and I will paste in my notepad. Where I will paste? After this. Okay, inside the body, before the end of the body tag. Everything whatever you are writing on the web page should come inside the body. So it should come inside the body tag. Okay, so I am pasting it here. Now you want that font size 20, style Times New Roman and color red. For what you want? You want these things, these styles for which text? That you have to write after this. Okay, after the font. So if you want chapter 6 HTML. Now this chapter 6 HTML will come in the Times New Roman style, red color and 20 size. Okay, let us see. Again I am going to file, save. I am going to my browser file and I am going to reload. Have you seen chapter 6 HTML? So it is not coming in red color. Let us see again. There is some error. See, you can correct the error also. There is no issues as such. Okay, it is not coming in red color, so I can change. Again I can, if I write blue, let us see, because every color has code, sometimes it doesn't take. Okay, so again we are going to save it. Again we are going to browser file and reload. So it came in blue color, right? Let us change the size now. See what I am doing, experimenting with the code. You can also do. Okay, change the code, change the text, and then you can see the options. Now I have did 40. Again, every time you do change, you have to save it, save, and you have to reload the file, reload. There is no change. Again go back, there is some error, that means 40 size might be not available, so we'll do 25. Okay, again file, save, browser and F5. Again there is no change. Again there is some error. Let us decrease the size this time. File, save, browser file, and so see, this way it has been changed. Got it? So you can practice as all these things. Your homework is create a notepad file, write the structure of HTML and use font tag, right? Okay, thank you.